Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom, and today I'm going to show you how to make the world's most delicious steak rub ever. But it's also good on chicken and pork, so remember this. Now, if you want to pause, in a few minutes I'm going to show you the recipe. You can pause, freeze frame, so you can write it down, but you kind of don't even need to write it down. It's so simple. I'll show you the ingredients, okay? Now, I'm using 1/4 cup of each of these, except this one's a 1/2 cup. So basically it's equal parts of these and double of this. So I'll tell you what they are. First, you start with a kosher or sea salt. Now, if you're just doing this for one night, just do a spoonful. 1 spoonful of each of these and 2 of the last one. Whatever it is, equal parts, okay, of kosher salt. So we'll put that in. Freshly ground black pepper. We'll put that in. This is really great. I'm going to just show you on here. This is granulated garlic that you can get in bulk in many stores. So granulated garlic. It isn't garlic salt. It isn't powdered garlic, okay? It's granulated garlic. Then we have hickory smoked salt. Also, you can buy it in bulk. And the last one that you put twice as much in is brown sugar. So 1/4 cup of those first 4 ingredients and then a 1/2 cup. And whenever brown sugar is called for in a recipe, they intend for you to pack it in. So don't put it in loosely, pack it. So packed brown sugar. Now watch, you just stir all this up, kind of break up that brown sugar into it. It's so simple. Now I gave these as Christmas presents in little jars like this one because it's just so fun and it's easy. Now I'll tell you what I love also, besides that this is easy and delicious, is it doesn't overpower the taste of the meat. And sometimes, and I know you guys that like super spicy, hot, kill you and make your eyes water things, sometimes you put a lot of cayenne and you put a lot of hot, spicy things in there. But you know what? It hides the flavor of the meat. You want to enhance the flavor of the meat so the meat is what you taste. Okay, look, we're done and it's beautiful. Now you can quadruple this. You can use 1/4 of each thing if you want, and then 1/2 gallon of the sugar. You know, make as big an amount as you like, and you can put it in a great big mason jar for your family, or like I say, spoon it into a smaller amount like this little mason jar and give it as a gift. Now you know a wonderful way to make a steak rub that will just make your guests go, "How did you season this?" It's that good. Okay, check out my website, Joni, Joni, Hilton.com. We'll see you next time.